Well, I was at my daughter's house one day and I noticed that their garage had a lot of pitting in it, where the concrete seemed to just be deteriorating. When I got home, I was looking at mine and I saw the same thing. I have, two garages and it seemed like one was worse than the other, but it seemed like it's to a point where I had to do something. Concrete Hero, it seemed to be a smaller place, one of those family-run things. Most of the other places seem to be franchise type of a business, and so I called one place, had one place come out, and then Concrete Hero came out. The guy that came out for Concrete Hero just had more info for me. He made sense, answered all my questions. Seemed like the kind of person I'd like to work with. As far as the job goes, it was really good. I'm happy with it. The garage looks 100 times better. It worked out well. The workers were good. They did their job. They came when they were supposed to, and everything is looking good. I'm happy. I'm happy with the results.